Hello friends. Welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we are going to design full responsive template in 5 minutes. You can design website like this. After watching this video you can design responsive website in just 5 or less than 5 minutes. Subscribe our channel for daily video and press bell icon for latest update, and if you like our video then please like our video, and if you have query then comment your query in comment box. Let's start the coding. I created one HTML file with sample code of HTML. Like head and body tag. Give title name of your site. After creating a HTML sample, run the code. Now open the any web browser and search the tailwindcss. Link is also given in description. Now click on Get Start, then scroll down and find the CDN link and copy the CDN link. CDN link paste in head section of your HTML code. Now search the tailwind.com for GitHub link. Link is also given in description. You can open this link to click there. Choose the color of your website as per your requirement using color panel. Click on menu button. First we create one header section, so find header section and click on it. Now click on view code button and copy the source code and paste in your HTML file. And change the menu name as per your requirement, and also change the brand name of your site. Now click on hero section and copy code and paste in your HTML file. Now you can replace image with given dimensions. And as per your requirements. You can download source of any page and design website in only 5 minutes. Thus all pages are responsive. You can copy page code and use in your site. Now I show one design which is create using this site. Let's watch.